international partner crew members is not only the science work inside, but also looking outside at what's going on with environmental changes on the Earth. Periodically, the crew members are sent a list of targets to take photos of specific areas on the Earth. One of the newest ones that the Earth observation team has posted is of the southwestern U.S. And as you can see, a beautiful view, pretty much giving you a real good idea of how far, not only in distance, but also in left to right views that the crew members can have from this vantage point aboard the station. This is a view of the southwest U.S., obviously annotated to show you specific city locations, essentially on a dark pass around the Earth with all of the cities lighted. Now this is looking back toward the west coast. Obviously, as you can see, Phoenix and Las Vegas, and all the way in the distance, Los Angeles and the San Francisco Bay Area, all the way up to Portland, Oregon, and then on the in the near portions of the view, obviously the Colorado area, and also the Salt Lake City regions, and a beautiful view of the aurora on the horizon from this vantage point with one of the station's solar arrays in view up in the top left of this view. The Earth Obs team, as mentioned, periodically sends pictures up to the station, and you too can head to their website. It's a public website at eol.jsc.nasa.gov. So be sure to check that site out. I look at it just about every day to look at any new images that the team is working with periodically. This flight control team is one of three that supports around-the-clock activities and operations aboard the station, with the crew waking up about 1 o'clock in the morning each day, Houston time. Teams shift here in Mission Control just about every 9 hours. On each end of that 9-hour shift, there'll be time for a handover between the off-going team and then on the back end with the new oncoming team. And that continues around the clock, even when the crew is sleeping. There are a subset of flight controllers that can look over all of the systems aboard the complex, even while the crew is sleeping. The next shift change here in Mission Control will be about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And shifts again change. They do adjust those shifts slightly depending on dynamic activities aboard the station. In fact, tomorrow on Saturday, the shifts will change slightly here in support of so that the lead team can be on console in support of the Dragon spacecraft final unberthing and release ahead of its deorbit and splashdown scheduled for Saturday afternoon.